Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In today's episode, we are going to be learning how to disable vibration in Pokémon GO. If the vibration alert in Pokémon GO are distracting you or draining your battery, then you can simply turn it off. Open up your Pokémon GO application on your smartphone and tap the Pokéball icon at the bottom center to open the menu. Now click on the settings icon at the top right corner. Within the settings menu, go ahead and toggle off the button right next to vibration. After you toggle off the button, if it is gray, then it's inactive. You can now get back to the home page and you have successfully disabled vibration alerts in Pokémon GO. Now you can play without the phone buzzing every time a Pokémon appears or a Pokéstop is nearby. If you want the vibration back, just follow the same step and toggle the button on again. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.